tropang PBB mga kapamilya. When you say nothing at all.
Hipota.
It's amazing how you can speak right through my heart. Without saying no words, you can light up the dark. Yeah. Trials I make, I could never explain. Was when hearing your most say you're mine. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you catch me wherever I fall. Just say it best when you say nothing at all.
Chinese version. So, tinampo na lang kita. Tara. You need me. As the truth in your eyes saying you never leave me. Get touch of your hands that you catch me wherever I fall. You say it best, say it best.
When you say
Nothing.
when you say nothing at all.
If I were a boy, I think I could understand. If a child and a burden is oh yeah. All the twists in the sun. All the things you never did, everyone. Sarong ba? Sanang bala. Oh mama,
Ya ikaw, Frances and Flores,
mamatay ka na.
Kasi kami ang magkakabangga mong mabuhay ka.
Mamili ka ng kakalabanin mo. Huwag ang tropang PBB dahil ika'y matatalbog ng...
Come on everybody! Di kita iiwan sa paglabas.
If I were a boy,
Dito sa mundong walang tiyakan,
di kita bibitaw sa paglalakbay mo tayo.
sa mundo na kawalan.
Disconnection notice na po.
Maputulan na kami sa ilaw.
Five. Everybody.
Hanggang sa dulo ng mundo.
Pag komplikado ang problema, tuwing maghahating gabi, pag imposibleng mapatawan, at di na madapuan ng ngiti. Come on, buddy! Kumapit ka kaya sa akin ng ikaw at maitangay sa kalayaan ng ligaya. Tayo na Patayin natin si Mamoy.
At ibigay kay Reggie ang mga tabang nakuha. Elisip Mamoy.
Yan para sa'yo, Mamoy, ha? Kaya ikaw, you're dead.
Ebola virus.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay,
ako
dali,
para
pre.
video ah.
Erinuman na.